to our channel. In today's quick guide, we'll show you how to delete the Windows.old folder in Windows 11. This folder can take up a lot of space on your hard drive, and if you don't need the previous version of Windows, it's safe to delete it. Let's get started. The Windows.old folder contains files from your previous installation of Windows. It's created when you upgrade your Windows version and can take up a significant amount of disk space. If you're sure you don't need to revert to your previous version of Windows, you can delete it to free up space. Right-click on the Start menu and open Settings. From here, select System and then click on Storage. In the storage settings, you'll see a breakdown of how your disk space is being used. Look for the temporary files options and click on it. On the temporary file screens, Windows will scan for files that can be deleted to free up space. This might take a few moments. Once the scan is complete, scroll down until you find the option called Previous Windows Installations. Now, simply click on the Remove Files at the top of the screen. Windows will delete the Windows.old folder along with other selected temporary files. Then click on Continue. Windows will take a few moments to delete the file. Once the process is complete, you should see that the Windows.old folder has been removed and you have more free space on your device. And that's it, you successfully deleted the Windows.old folder in the Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.